Hey guys, welcome to Bartlow's Barbecue, and today I'm introducing you to a brand new smoker. This is the Baby Draft Master from Smokerbuilder, and it's amazing. We are going to be reverse searing a ribeye steak, and we're going to finish it off using some grill grates. And this thing has fantastic accessories. It's got two grill zones, one where you can reverse sear and do low and slow or hot and fast area, and then it has a separate little cooking area for doing high heat searing. So I cannot wait to show you all the details, so let's get into the cook. All right, y'all, I want to show you just how heavy duty this is. This has got an amazing lid on it. It's heavy duty. It's got a little smokehouse right there. Look at that handle. Fantastic, really well built. Two draft areas, and it comes with a thermometer. And then I'll bring you in and show you what this looks like on the station here. All right, friends, let me show you the setup of the inside of this Draftmaster drum smoker. It comes with a heat shield around it with holes all the way around it get proper airflow. Then it comes with its own great charcoal basket with great charcoal ash shaker at the very bottom. And then also the handle bends, so whenever you put it back down, it won't interfere. It comes with this nice heat diffuser, kind of a cooking grid. And this is your kind of heat deflector, if you will, and it's got all these cutouts where you're able to kind of bend your finger. Obviously use a glove whenever you got charcoal on it, and then you're able to lay down the cooking grid for low and slow. So we'll just place that on here just like that. This is where we're going to place our steaks, and then it comes with a nice separate section for grilling and searing your steak. So you put leave everything in there, add more charcoal, and then you put this on here, and you can grill or use the grill grates to grill and sear your food. So that's the inside of the details of the Baby Draftmaster. Now we're going to light this up and get our steaks prepared. All right, friends, now we got our charcoal lit and we have our diffuser in. I'm gonna go ahead and put the grill grate on. We are set. Put on the lid. And then once we reach 200 degrees, right now I've got these two side vents open, and I'm gonna close one and then leave one pinky width open, and I did that on both sides, but we'll close it once we hit 200 so that we will slowly ramp up to 250 and kind of stay steady at that temperature. All right, guys, so today we are going to prepare this ribeye steak by putting on some TDs. Carne Sutra is delicious. I'll put a link in the description. We're reverse searing this, and if you had time, I would salt brine at least a few hours before, if not overnight, but I didn't have time, so this is a fantastic steak seasoning, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna season this puppy up, get it on the grill, reverse sear it, and then we'll put that sear plate on, and we'll be searing that steak, and I cannot wait to use the grill grate. So let me show you how we season this up. We are going to put the steak on for reverse searing. Just place it right in the middle. Oh, you can already hear that searing. And we're gonna put this Inkbird right in here, and I'll show you a close-up what that looks like. And we're gonna let this go until it gets to an internal temperature of 100. And the reason why is I am gonna get an amazing sear with this sear station, and it's gonna get so hot, it's gonna bring it up to temperature to easily to 125, 130 where I want it. So bring it up to 100 degrees, and then we'll be ready to sear. So let's get this Inkbird in and let it cook. All right, lift this up temporarily. Kind of find the meaty side right in the middle there. Plug it in, let it drape. And if we wanted to, we could drill a hole here and you could just do that, but I'm also gonna start using a wireless thermometer, so I think that's not a need, but I got the Inkbird right here. I'll pull up the app to set it for that 100 degrees reminder, and then we will sear this puppy. I cannot wait to do a taste test. All right, friends, we have taken off the lid because we have hit that 100 degrees. We've got a good looking steak here. I'm gonna set it aside as I get this grill grate, this other grill grate set up for our searing station. Well, as you can see, we've got the new searing station installed. I'm gonna put this grate on top of it right there, and then go ahead and place the grill grates together. Make sure that they are locked in place. We are going to sear this at a 45-degree angle this way and then this way for 1 minute, and then we will flip it and do the same thing. So let's go. Money in the bank. All right, friends, we have finished up this ribeye steak using the Baby Draft Master, reverse searing it, and then finishing it off with that sear station using those grill grates. It turned out fantastic as far as look is concerned. I'm extremely happy. I already can tell just the tenderness of this steak. So we're gonna go ahead and cut into this. How smooth that is. Oh yeah, my friends. Check that out. Cannot wait to dive in to this, get a little slice, do a little taste test. Here we are. All right, here we go. Just pulls apart. Do that ribeye steak. Hit the spot. Man, it's so delicious. Reverse searing steak is my favorite way to cook steak, and I'm just so impressed with that grill grates and how it just absorbs heat, but yet it doesn't have any kind of kickback flames or anything like that. It provided just the perfect grill marks. This is a fantastic cook station and a fantastic smoker. It held temperatures fantastic. If you just do that pinky little tip on the exhaust on the sides and just crack the top vent on the lid, man, you can hold 225 to 250 forever. And I was super impressed with it. So this was awesome. I loved it. And if you enjoyed this video, and I would love to know your thoughts on the Baby Draft Master, the grill grates. If you've done something like this before, let me know. But check out the channel. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Also, turn on the notifications so you don't miss any videos that we've got going on. And we'll do a lot more fun stuff with the Baby Draft Master and also those grill grates. And just stay tuned. So from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.